This seems like Korean style. One is fire noodles, the other is kimchi. Yes, yes, yes. Can I get one of each? Sure. Tastes a bit like Korean flavor. Yes, 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 yes. We made this sauce ourselves. Want some more chili flakes? Can you bag it for me later? Let's go. This style is just like Korean pork belly rolls. One rolled with fire noodles, the other rolled with kimchi. The kimchi one looks tempting. First, try the noodle one. This one. This one is 15 each. 15. Two of the kimchi ones. There's cheese inside too. This pork belly is like the strips from BBQ buffets. A long strip of pork belly, then wrapped around. Try the kimchi one. Oh. Wow, this is so sour. Have some noodles to balance it out. Tastes a bit like beef rolls, too. It's quite satisfying. Because yesterday, I had a black rice bowl. The 15 ones are gone, that fast. Okay, Ron, if you like this video, please give it a like, and see you next time. Subscribe to us.